case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of New Jersey recently embarked on a journey into the quasi-sciences in the gripping case of State v. Moore. Accusations cast a pall over the defendant, as the victim M.A. identified him as her attacker. The courtroom was set ablaze, however, when it emerged that M.A.'s testimony wasn't your run-of-the-mill recollection. Her memory boost? A hypnotic bridge back to the assault in question. As cryptic as it sounds, this case shone a spotlight on a darker issue: the reliability of the so-called hypnotically-refreshed testimony. Unsurprisingly, concerns over the method's efficacy soon sprouted, only to be exacerbated when the process was compounded by a suggestive photo array. The courtroom drama took a new turn when the trial court admitted M.A.'s testimony. The verdict? A guilty assault conviction for Moore. However, the beat didn't stop here. As the gavel hit, Moore slapped an appeal. The Supreme Court was now tasked with the momentous responsibility of revisiting this controversial corner of law. Amid the drama, the Supreme Court was quick to hammer a diktat. The use of hypnotically refreshed testimony was sketchy at best. Scorning its questionable reliability, the top court raised the bar of acceptance, mandating certain clear-cut protocols. The hypnosis was to be conducted by an experienced professional. Every shred of information divulged needed to be recorded diligently, and the session was to be an exclusive event between the hypnotist and the subject. Further upping the ante, the Supreme Court added that such testimony, when contested, must pass the trial by fire. It ruled inadmissible any such evidence that could not stand up against expert testimony, persuasion from scientific literature, or acceptance in judicial decisions. The result? The trial court's admission of hypnotically refreshed evidence was slammed down, with the Supreme Court validating the ruling against Moore. Based on this scrutiny, the Supreme Court pushed a task on the Criminal Practice Committee's table, suggesting improvements to the present guidelines and making the Fertig charge watertight. The whirlwind of State versus Moore had ended, blowing open a wind of change in the realm of hypnotically refreshed testimonies. The stage is now set again, this time in the law division, to make headway in line with the apex court's incisive opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.